Today is Derby Day, and nothing says Kentucky Derby like the iconic cocktail, the Mint Julep. Woodford Reserve is the official bourbon of the Kentucky Derby, but I wanted to see what the best Kentucky bourbon is for the occasion. We have in proof order Evan Williams Single Barrel, Buffalo Trace, Old Forester 100 Proof, E.H. Taylor Small Batch, and the Wild Turkey 70th 8-Year 101. Now, if you don't have that 70th anniversary, you can just sub in the 8-year. That is fine as well. Now, at the end, I will go over my specific recipe for the perfect mint julep with the winner of this tasting, but for now, just know that these were all made exactly the same way with the exact same ratios. I also use a mint julep cup at the very end, so don't get on me for that, but I didn't have 5 mint julep cups. First contender up was the Evan Williams Single Barrel, lower proof than the other ones, and it was actually pretty good. It just tasted too much like sugar water, but it wasn't bad. Next up, we had Buffalo Trace. My only complaint with Buffalo Trace was that it kind of disappeared into the cocktail, and with it being a bourbon spirit, you kind of want to taste the bourbon. Then we had Old Forester 100 Proof. This was a sleeper hit. This one was really surprisingly good. I love Old Forester 100 as a mixer. Then E.H. Taylor's Small Batch. And this one was shocking at first. I didn't love it when I first tried it, but I went back on a second pass on a little bit and really liked it. Then we had Wild Turkey 101, the 70th anniversary. No spoilers, but third place was Buffalo Trace. Second place was E.H. Taylor Small Batch. And then in first place, the best for mint juleps, the Wild Turkey 70th Anniversary 101. Now, this is my actual cocktail recipe. Half ounce of rock candy syrup, which is 2.5 parts of sugar, 1 part water. I also didn't show the mint leaves that I put in there. You want to put about 8 to 10 mint leaves in there. And then 2.5 ounces of your favorite bourbon, in this case, the Wild Turkey 70th Anniversary. You're going to lightly shake it with just a few pieces of ice in there. You're going to use shaved ice here into this julep cup. And what you want to do is pack it really tight. Put in your mint garnish. I ran out of mint, so usually I use way more garnish than that. And then the beautiful thing is you just kind of mix the ice in, and it makes this like slushy drink. And there you have it. That is the best mint julep. Happy Derby Day, everyone.